6 reasons why Scratch is bad. Disclaimer: I am not hating on Scratch, but the website has many issues. Reason 1. Poor moderation. Most of the time it is not even a human reviewing it, but just automated. This often causes false bans. Reason 2. Website design. Why the frick is it purple? Literally, who asked for this? This is actually hurting my eyes. Reason 3. Follow for follow. What is even the point of doing this? What do you financially gain from this? Nothing. Reason 4. Not being able to say Scratch add-ons. Reason 5. Explore page. Finding an original project on the Explore page is almost as rare as finding me contributing to society. Reason 6. Generic platformers. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.